It's been a morning of pressure for base metals prices here on the floor of the London Metal Exchange so far, kicking off a fresh week on a downbeat note. Over the course of the early morning, we saw copper, aluminium and zinc all hit their lowest for 3 weeks. Lead fell to its lowest for a week, while the nickel market was at its weakest for a fortnight. Pressure's not been particularly intense, certainly not as heavy as it was on Friday when the copper market fell some 2%, but there's pressure nonetheless going into this fresh week, as we say. It's well into the summer now, the summer slowdown, and there are concerns about demand, notably coming from China, so the official PMI figure in midweek will be watched very, very closely. It's also quite a busy week for other economic data and events. Monetary policy coming out of the FOMC and the European Central Bank. Lots of data out of the US, GDP in midweek, and it culminates in Friday's July non-farm payrolls report. So a busy week in prospect. Today, not so much on the activity side. It's a low-key day for data. But as we say, the markets are on a downward tack. They're just moved above those lows as we speak. So we've had the copper market down to 68.20. It's near 68.70, 68.80 now. Aluminium got down to 17.91. It's back just under $1,800 a tonne, but the bias is to the downside. This is Martin Hayes of Fast Markets on the floor of the LME.